Hey friends, if you wish to enable new energy and battery usage settings on Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. Now it's not very difficult. Here's what you have to do. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side and select power and battery in the right pane. Wait till it loads. It needs a while to load. This setting is a very heavy setting, so you'll have to wait for up to a minute for it to load. Okay. Now, after this, you will have to expand this area for energy recommendations. You will see all the modern energy recommendations here. You can choose whether you wish to apply them, or you can choose not to apply them and remove them from the recommendation. Okay, so this is one thing. Usually people apply all of them, but here's the thing, I don't like that. So you know what, the better way to change it is simply to change it to the best performance plan, and you'll notice that a few energy recommendations have been removed. So this is how it works. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.